Your brain is hiding a secret, one that shapes every moment of your life. Every memory you've ever made, from your first kiss to the song that still gives you chills, isn't stored as a perfect recording. Instead, it's shattered into fragments, scattered across your mind like shards of a broken mirror. Today, we're diving into the neuroscience of why your brain works this way, and how something as simple as forgetting your keys reveals a genius survival strategy hardwired into your DNA. Close your eyes and think of your most vivid memory. Maybe it's the thrill of a childhood vacation, the sting of a first heartbreak, or even the weirdly specific taste of yesterday's lunch. Now, here's the twist. That memory isn't a single seamless movie reel. It's a chaotic collage of sensations, emotions, and details stored in different corners of your brain. Imagine your mind as a detective piecing together a crime scene, except the crime scene is your life, and the detective is a jigsaw puzzle master. Let's unravel how your brain hides, retrieves, and sometimes loses those puzzle pieces, and how you can hack this system to remember what truly matters. The memory factory. Your brain runs a 24/7 memory factory, staffed by three quirky employees. 1. The snapshot taker. This is your sensory memory. It's lightning fast, capturing raw snapshots of the world. The smell of rain on concrete, the flicker of a candle, the crunch of autumn leaves. But these snapshots fade in seconds like Polaroids left in the sun. 2. The post-it note. Meet your short-term memory. It's the mental equivalent of scribbling a phone number on your hand, useful for 30 seconds, then gone forever. Ever walked into a room and forgot why? Blame this guy. 3. The librarian. This is your long-term memory asterisk, ruled by the hippocampus. It's a meticulous archivist, deciding which memories deserve a VIP pass to forever. But the librarian is picky. It doesn't care about your grocery list. It cares about what asterisk moves asterisk you. Here's the key. Repetition and emotion are the librarian's currency. Practice a skill daily, that's a deposit. A traumatic event or euphoric moment, that's a gold bar. Your brain screams, lock this in. Why your brain breaks memories. Your brain doesn't store memories, it splits them. Let's say you're reliving a beach vacation. The roar of waves is stored in your auditory cortex asterisk. The coconut scent of sunscreen, that's in the asterisk olfactory bulb. The gritty feel of sand between your toes. The asterisk somatosensory cortex asterisk handles that. Even the rush of joy you felt is tucked away in your amygdala, the emotion hub. To relive that memory, your brain must stitch these fragments back together. But sometimes, pieces vanish. Ever blank on a friend's name mid-conversation? That's your brain's puzzle-solving glitching. But here's the plot twist. Forgetting is a superpower. Imagine remembering every password, every face, every minor embarrassment. Your brain ditches clutter so you can focus on what's vital, like recognizing danger or nurturing relationships. Evolution called it storage full, delete the junk. The science of forgetting. Your brain isn't flawless. Here's why it fails you. 1. Decay. Unused memories rust away. That algebra you mastered in 10th grade. If you never use it, your brain recycles those neurons for something else, like perfecting your TikTok dance. 2. Overload. Too many similar memories clash. Ever mix up two coworkers' names or forget which app your password is saved under? That's your brain yelling, too many tabs open. 3. Glitches. Stress, exhaustion, or multitasking scrambles recall. Picture your hippocampus as a librarian during an earthquake, books flying, shelves collapsing. But here's the good news, you're not helpless. Let's hack your memory. Upgrade your memory. Want to become a memory ninja? Steal these neuroscience-backed tricks. 1. Hit save while you sleep. During deep sleep, your brain replays the day's events like a film reel, transferring key scenes from the post-it note to the librarian's vault. Skimp on sleep, and it's like slamming your laptop shut mid-download. Data corrupts. 2. Eat brain fuel, omega-3 fatty acids, salmon, walnuts, and antioxidants, blueberries, dark chocolate, rebuild neurons. They're like premium gas for your mental engine. 3. Cheat with stories. Your brain loves weirdness. Trying to remember Napoleon invaded Russia in 1812. Imagine him riding a kangaroo through Moscow waving a calendar marked 1812. Absurd? Exactly. Your brain won't forget it. 4. Move your body. Exercise pumps oxygen to your brain, sprouting new neural connections. Think of it as fertilizer for your memory garden. And hey, if you're loving this deep dive, subscribe now. Let's make sure YouTube's algorithm doesn't bury this channel in the forgotten folder of your brain. Conclusion. Memories are messy. They're blurry, biased, and full of holes, but that's what makes them human. They're not cold, hard data. They're the raw material of your identity. So next time you forget your keys, cut your brain some slack. It's busy safeguarding the moments that define you, the laughter, the love, the lessons. If this video reshaped how you see your mind, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more brain-blowing secrets. And hit the comments. If you could save one memory in a favorites folder forever, what would it be? Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep those puzzle pieces clicking together.